ruin the music.
Hey, Chef Andres at home. Today, French toast like you've never seen before. What's so special about our French toast today? I'm going to make it with honey that is flavored with a little rosemary and lots of ripe mangoes. The mangoes right now that we can get at the market are amazing. So I figured I'd try them out with this French toast. To be honest, I already tried this combination. It's pretty good. And we're going to top it with this lime sour cream, a flavor explosion. Let's get cooking. Time to make the French toast batter. This is a very simple process. We have milk, eggs, sugar, a bit of cinnamon, and also vanilla. This vanilla is truly amazing. Once you smell this, it just takes over your brain and your soul. There's nothing that you can think about but this beautiful vanilla. We used to get beans and it's very, very expensive, like bean paste. But this one right here is quite affordable and it's one of the most delicious vanillas that I have ever used. I'm going to be using this pot, so I found it kind of convenient rather than a bowl. Because we're going to want to soak the bread, which I have some sourdough bread right here, in the batter, and it's important to let it soak in for quite a while. Sometimes you get a French toast that is kind of dry in the center. Nah, that's not very good. Crack the egg into the milk. We'll add the sugar, beautiful aromatic cinnamon, and the vanilla extract. Now whisk vigorously to create the smooth batter. We're gonna let this batter sit for 15-20 minutes so all the flavors come together and we can get a nicely aromatic, vanilla forward French toast batter. Hell yeah. Place a small pan over a medium fire. Pour all that honey in the pan and then look at me. I'm scraping that glass with the rosemary sprigs. That's definitely a new technique I haven't used before. You can use a spoon if you'd like. Time to bring that honey to a quick boil in order to infuse the rosemary flavors into it. This process should take just about a minute or two, and turn it off. While the honey is still hot, toss in the mangoes. Give it a quick stir so we can get the mangoes well coated with the honey. Time for a pinch of salt and a good squeeze of fresh lime juice. The sour cream goes in a chilled bowl so we can whip it. Whipping it will give us an airy, lighter texture to it. Lime zest for another flavor layer. I whip that cream to soft peaks, then yeah, I have to try it. Let's see. It looks like I enjoyed it. Those slices of sourdough bread go in the batter. Our goal is to make sure the bread is completely soaking wet with the batter. You'll see me softly squeezing the air out of the bread, so when it springs back up, it absorbs more of that beautiful liquid. A few knobs of butter on a non-stick pan. Once the pan is hot, place a slice of bread in there. I also pour some extra batter on top. You'll see it kind of overflowing on the side. We're going to make some little nice basting golden nuggets of batter put on top of the French toast. It's going to be amazing. As the French toast is cooking, those little nuggets are getting golden brown and beautiful. Time to get that bread a flip and yeah! Look at that. Notice those nuggets are also getting golden brown. Now it's time to baste those French toast with the golden nuggets. This is something that I really enjoy. It's time to put this French toast together. It's smelling so good. Oh my, this is gonna be amazing. Let's get right here. Those little tiny crunchy pieces of the egg batter. Adds a little nuttiness, some crunchiness to it. Delicious. There you go. Time for that mango, honey, spiked with the rosemary. I know it sounds perhaps a little bit out there, but you should definitely try it. It's a great match. There you go. Ooh, boy. Lots of mango, honey. Good dollop of the cream. And to finish it, a tiny garnish of color right here. Some limes. There it is. Come to Papa. Look at this French toast. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, toasty, honey. Oh, those mangoes, the cream with the lime. Oh my God, I'm gonna eat you. If you like the content I'm creating, down here, smash the like and subscribe button so we can grow the channel and get to more people like you. And also, yes, do not forget, ring that bell so you do not miss any of my videos. And now, tips and tricks by yours truly, Chef Amaz. This time, let's talk about flavor layering or flavor building. If you want a wonderful dish that takes you through a journey on itself, you want to build different tastes into it. You can go from sweet, salty, bitter, a little bit of umami. All these tastes allow us the perception of flavor. By using this method, you do wonderful things. Number one, you avoid palate fatigue. Number two, achieve a balanced dish. Number three, contrasting flavors make your dish and ingredients pop. A great example of this is our French toast today. Mango is very aromatic, the herb, that rosemary, a bit bitter, and also aromatic. We have the sweetness of the honey, and we're topping it with sour cream. This sour cream obviously adds some sourness to it, and also a little bit of richness from the cream itself. Paired with the bread that's been soaked in that vanilla forward batter, makes for an amazingly balanced dish that makes you keep wanting more. And now you learn how to create a dish with contrasting flavors that is going to be balanced and it's going to avoid palate fatigue. So to your sweet dishes, add a little bit of salt, maybe a tiny bit of acidity, some fat if you can, and keep experimenting. I wanted to wish a happy birthday to my niece Sarah, who is one of my biggest fans. Happy birthday. A quick review of the ingredients. We have sourdough bread, egg, cinnamon, sugar, vanilla extract and milk for the batter, fresh mangoes, honey, rosemary, sour cream, lime zest, and cubed butter. Time to taste the fruits of my labor. I'm gonna dig into this. It just, wow, the lime, the mango, just smells so good. Been craving the sweetness for a while, as I said. Nice and soft in the inside. The custard went through the whole bread, which it's perfect. Oh man, so good. The mango, super sweet with the honey, the touch of lime juice and salt. Wow, just pops in your mouth. The cream adds a complete different layer to it. It just goes amazing. And you have to trust me with the rosemary and mango. It's a great combination. You see how good this is? Even the dog's just crying for it. Listen, this is definitely one of the best French toasts I have ever tried. So you, yes, you should definitely make this.